Yan guys, yan. Alis na nga pala ako. Mga pala yung bike ni paring Erwin. Yan. Naram ko lang. Tapunta muna natin guys. Samahan nyo ako magpagupit. Tingnan natin kung okay ba yung mga nagugupit dito sa Qatar. Kasi dati, nagpagupit ako dati. Kinalabasan. Sablay. Nangyari, nagpakalbo tuloy ako. Yan, kaya sana naman okay yung ano natin ngayon, oh. Yung pagupit natin ngayon. Tara, sama kayo. Yan guys, tara, samahan nyo akong magpagupit, no. Yan, buti nakairam tayo ng bike kay paring Erwin. Yan, kaya hindi tayo medyo mapapagod pag maglakad. Kasi malayo rin pag nilakad eh. May dumadaan pa guys ito. Tayo natin makatawid. Diba medyo malayo-layo rin, diba guys, kung lalakarin mo yan. Pero pwede rin naman kasi hindi naman na mainit ngayon dito sa Qatar. Kaya pwede rin lakarin yan guys. Yan, mga gantong buwan guys, malapit na rin mag sandstorm. Yan kasi halos magpapalit na talaga yung panahon kaya siguro isa sa mga araw na to mag-start na rin magkaroon ng sandstorm. Yan, tawid tayo guys. Ito na, dito na tayo sa garto. Yan guys, ayun yung salon. Diyan tayo magpapagupit guys sa salon. Yan, ilang beses na rin ako nagpagupit eh. Yan, actually dyan din dyan din ako nagpagupit dati. Na kalbo ang kinalabasan. Kasi ang pinakita ko noon, ang pinakita kong gupit dati, yung semi-mohawk. Semi-mohawks yung gupit. Pero nung kinalabasan parang naging naging pinya. Sa mga experience ko talaga dati nito. Pero wala tayong magawa kasi no choice tayo, ang haba na ng buko. Kailangan na rin talagang magpagupit. Bahala na, pag pangit siguro baka magpakalbo ulit ako. Yan, bahala na. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Dito ako nagpagupit guys. May pagupit tayo, tingnan natin kung babagay ba sa atin yung gupit na gugupit natin. Haba na kasi ng buko eh.
A few moments later.
What problem? Gusto ko na to si may after image. Same this guy, this haircut. Yeah. Small only.
You're too much sexy, huh? Too much sexy, huh?
Yeah.
How many years you have not cut hair?
No, this one only 6 months.
6 months. 1 month is the 20 real, even plus is the 6 months. How much coming together?
Yeah, because monthly haircut.
Yeah, monthly 20 real.
20 real, no?
Yeah,
So at least 2 times a year cutting.
6 months too much, yeah.
Yeah,
Lose
too much.
my company.
Yeah.
Then counting is the how much, 6 months, how much coming, then you play, huh?
Yes, I'll come back after 6 months.
Then you are loss. My company, my shop, I have the rules, 1 month is the 20 only haircut. One time, you are cut, you want to play, no cut, you want to also play.
Yeah. Too much saving, yes. Need money.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing.
Yun guys, yan. Ito na nga palang update ng aking vlog kahapon, no? Na paggupit dito sa Qatar. Yan, bali ito na nga pala yung kinalabasan guys. Ayan. Medyo ngayon lang ako nag-update kasi kagabi medyo pagod na. Yan, tsaka naligo na rin agad ako pagdating. Tapos may mga ginawa pa akong ibang bagay. At saka ayoko rin mag-vlog ng ganito yung buhok ko kasi ganito yung kinalabasan. Yan, ganyan yung kinalabasan guys. Kaya ngayon syempre pagpasok ko yung umaga, naligo ulit ako. Tapos nilagyan ko na siya ng gel. Yan, para medyo tumayo siya sa gitna, no? Para magkaroon man lang ng forma kahit papaano. Kasi mukha talagang ano eh. Sabi nga ng misis ko yung mukha raw brush. Yan, sabi naman ng anak ko para daw pinya. Yan ang pinalabasan guys. Yan, kaya ako na lang talaga nag-adjust. Siguro guys, yan, baka dito na rin natin tapusin yung vlog. Yan, maraming salamat sa panonood sa pag-vlog. At kung hindi pa rin po kayo nakasubscribe, please hit the like. Click na rin po kayo yung guys. Tsaka pakiroon na rin ang notification bell para lagi po kayo mag-subscribe. Mga bago po pang mga vlogs na tungkol sa mga OFW, yan, mga pasyalan at mga pagkain na rin. Sige po, maraming salamat ulit at ingat po kayo kung nasang pag